We know managing school facilities is a complex task. Thankfully, MasterLibrary's integrated platform allows facility managers to streamline their operations and stay in control. Our full suite of tools ensures no aspect of your facilities go unchecked. All of our systems also work together seamlessly for a streamlined workflow that gets operations managers and their teams back to what matters. ML Work Orders is our tool for centralizing technology and maintenance requests into one location, allowing for access anywhere on an internet-connected device. Submitting a work order is quick and simple and can be done on the go. Forms are fully customizable, making sure they cover exactly what you need done. Clear communication is front and center with ML Work Orders. Once a request is submitted, an auto-generated email alerts the appropriate user. They then assign the task to one or multiple users. When the task is finished, it is marked complete and the original requester is notified. Our asset management module allows users to easily organize and track fixed assets or equipment. No more searching for manual and warranty information in a file cabinet somewhere. Everything is attached digitally and saved in the cloud. Maintenance history and scheduling information is also securely stored. The system even allows IT technicians to check in and out devices, creating an efficient, hands-off process. The preventative maintenance module is where recurring work orders are set up. If an asset requires scheduled cleanings or inspections, set it and forget it. You can auto-assign tasks to users and include step-by-step procedures for them to follow. ML Drawings is our tool for interactive floor plans and integrated asset records. Creating your list of assets has never been simpler. Our software allows you to walk through your facilities, take photos of different spaces and their assets, upload the photos, and add your asset information. Custom stamps make labeling and organizing a breeze. When you place a stamp, a window appears prompting input of all the relevant information. The stamp is visible on both the floor plan and facility photos. When viewing your interactive floor plan, clicking on an asset brings up a quick view of important information as well as a menu of quick actions. From here, you can view the asset, submit a work order, add a preventative maintenance schedule, or view issues. ML Schedules is a master calendar solution for your district. This easy-to-use tool is fully customizable, filterable, and can also serve as a public-facing calendar on your website. Making and approving requests is easy. Requesters simply enter the desired space, date, and time they're interested in. After confirming availability at a glance, they are guided through a custom form that contains all of the necessary information to book that specific facility. Upon completion, an auto-generated email with details is sent to the approver. They can approve or deny the request directly from the email or log into the system to respond there. Notifications are sent to assigned stakeholders every step of the way. Although each of our software solutions stand alone, the full benefits are realized when using the suite together. ML Work Orders, ML Drawings, and ML Schedules are neatly integrated to make managing facilities easier. From within any ML software interface, all of the other tools are just one simple click away. If a user is working in ML Schedules and views an event, not only will they see all the event details, any work orders associated with the event will also conveniently be displayed. When clicked, it will take the user directly to the work order details page. Event information is also visible within the work order, along with what is required for setup. Tabs along the top provide quick access to any assets or drawings associated with the work order. When an asset is clicked, the user is instantly brought to the Asset Details page. If a drawing is associated with the asset, the user will be brought directly to the appropriate floor plan by clicking the location listed in the Drawings tab. This will display that particular asset filtered out on ML Drawings to show exactly where it is located on the floor plan. One platform, 3 powerful tools, countless solutions. MasterLibrary works on behalf of district operations managers and their teams to stay organized, save time, save money, and keep their facilities running smoothly. If you'd like a full demo of everything our software can do, please reach out today.